Are you tired of struggling financially, watching others build wealth while you feel stuck? Here's a question. What if you could unlock the exact steps to make money as an entrepreneur and finally take control of your financial destiny? In this video, you'll learn proven strategies that have helped countless entrepreneurs create sustainable businesses and generate real wealth. And let me tell you, these aren't just theories. Let's face it, starting a business sounds exciting, but the reality is often overwhelming. Many people dive in without a clear plan, only to burn out and give up. You've probably heard stories of entrepreneurs working 80-hour weeks, losing their savings, or dealing with constant stress. Maybe you've even felt that fear, the fear of failing before you've even begun. The good news? Most of these struggles can be avoided by following the right steps. Today, we'll tackle these challenges together, giving you a roadmap that's simple, actionable, and designed for success. Number 1. The entrepreneurial mindset, the foundation of success. Most people think making money starts with a business idea, but the truth is, it starts in your mind. The entrepreneurial mindset is what separates those who succeed from those who fail. It's about resilience, adaptability, and the willingness to embrace risk. Imagine this. You've just launched a new product, but sales are slow. Do you give up or look for ways to improve? Successful entrepreneurs see setbacks as opportunities to learn, not reasons to quit. For example, Sara Blakely, the founder of Spanx, turned countless rejections into a billion-dollar empire by refusing to take no for an answer. To develop this mindset, start with self-reflection. Ask yourself, are you willing to invest time and energy even when results aren't immediate? Build habits that reinforce growth, like reading books on entrepreneurship or surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals. Remember, your mindset is the foundation on which all other strategies rest. Number 2. Identifying profitable opportunities, spotting the gap in the market. The next step is to find a problem worth solving. Every successful business addresses a specific need. For instance, Airbnb identified a gap in affordable travel accommodations and turned it into a multi-billion-dollar industry. Start by observing your surroundings. What's missing? Talk to people. What are their frustrations? Use tools like Google Trends or social media platforms to analyze market demand. One practical tip: create a simple survey and share it with your network. Their feedback could reveal a goldmine of opportunities. Once you've identified a potential niche, validate it by starting small. Test your idea with a minimum viable product, MVP. This way, you'll minimize risks while gaining valuable insights. Remember, solving a real problem is the fastest way to create value and profit. Number 3. Creating a scalable business model. Not all businesses are created equal. If your goal is to make money and grow, you need a scalable model, one that lets you increase revenue without a proportional increase in costs. Think about businesses like Netflix. Their subscription model allows them to add millions of users without significantly raising expenses. To create scalability in your business, focus on automation and systems. Can you deliver your product digitally? Can you streamline production? Here's a practical step. Write down your business idea and ask, what happens if I get 1,000 customers tomorrow? If the answer feels overwhelming, it's time to rethink your model. Scalability isn't just about growth. It's about growth that doesn't break you. Number 4. Building a brand that sells. Why do some businesses thrive while others barely survive? Often, the answer lies in branding. People don't just buy products. They buy stories, emotions, and values. Take Apple, for example. Their products aren't just tools. They're symbols of innovation and creativity. To build a strong brand, start by defining your mission and values. What do you stand for? How do you want customers to feel when they interact with your business? Next, focus on consistency. From your logo to your social media posts, every touchpoint should reflect your brand identity. Practical tip: create a brand style guide to ensure everything from colors to tone aligns with your message. A powerful brand doesn't just attract customers, it turns them into loyal fans. Number 5. Mastering sales and marketing, your business lifeline. You might have the best product in the world, but if no one knows about it, it won't matter. Marketing and sales are the lifeblood of any business. Start by understanding your audience. What are their needs, fears, and desires? Use this knowledge to craft compelling messages that speak directly to them. For example, instead of saying, "We sell workout gear," say, "We help you stay fit and confident." Leverage platforms where your audience spends time. Social media, email marketing, and search engine optimization are powerful tools. And don't underestimate the power of storytelling. Share customer success stories to build trust and credibility. Practical tip: start by creating one piece of valuable content, like a blog post or video, and share it across multiple channels. Consistency is key. Number 6. Leveraging technology and automation for growth. As an entrepreneur, your time is your most valuable resource. The more tasks you can automate, the more you can focus on growing your business. There are countless tools available, from email marketing platforms like MailChimp to e-commerce solutions like Shopify. For example, an entrepreneur who sells digital products can use automation to handle everything from order processing to customer follow-ups. Take it one step further by exploring AI tools for tasks like customer support or data analysis. Automating repetitive tasks not only saves time but also reduces errors, helping you scale faster. Number 7. Managing finances like a pro. Money management is where many entrepreneurs stumble. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of making money and forget about managing it wisely. Separate your personal and business finances. Open a dedicated business account and set aside a portion of your earnings for taxes, emergencies, and reinvestment. Tools like QuickBooks can simplify this process. Remember, cash flow is king. Track your income and expenses diligently. If you're unsure where to start, consult a financial advisor. Managing your finances effectively ensures long-term success and stability. Building wealth as an entrepreneur isn't easy, but it's worth it. Every day you hesitate is another day lost, a day your dreams could have been growing into reality. Take action now, even if it's a small step. Remember, the greatest businesses in the world started as just an idea. Here's a quote to keep you inspired. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. You have the tools, the strategies, and now, the mindset. The only thing left is action. If you found value in these tips, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more actionable advice. Let me know in the comments which strategy you'll start with today. And don't forget, I've left some useful links and exclusive recommendations in the description and the pinned comment. Now, since you stayed until the end, YouTube has picked the perfect video for you to watch next. It's right here on the screen. Click it and keep building your path to financial freedom.